Hello beautiful soul, today I'm gonna show you a beautiful breathwork which is gonna last only for 5 minutes, but it's gonna calm down your nerve system, make you feel good, reduce stress and anxiety, and you can do it in the morning if you wake up with anxiety, with stress, in the evening if you feel that you need to improve the quality of your sleep, or at any other time when you need to come back to yourself. So first, I want you to sit down on the floor or on the chair with your back straight, and we're gonna first inhale through the stomach. So we inhale with the nose and we round the stomach, and we will inhale on 4. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Block your breath on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna exhale slowly through the mouth, and like if you're exhaling through the straw. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Block your breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Catch your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Catch your breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Catch your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through the straw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Block your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale through your nose, round the stomach. 1, 2, 3, 4. Catch your breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Catch your breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Catch your breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Catch your breath. This time a little bit longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And breathe normally. Release. Inhale, exhale in the natural way. And now this time we're gonna do a second round, but we're gonna change it a little bit. So we're gonna again inhale on 4, but when we exhale, we're gonna exhale super slowly and deeply on 8 counts. Then we're gonna catch our breath on 4, and again inhale and exhale on 8 counts. Like this, we'll try to release nervous system and also calm down your heart. Let's try. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Catch your breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Catch your breath on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Catch your breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale deeply on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Catch your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Catch your breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale. Exhale, let go. Just breathe in the natural way. Try to feel if your body is feeling different. Maybe you feel more relaxed. Maybe you feel like you're ready to go to bed. Or maybe just you feel good and your body is feeling much better. I advise you to do this practice every day, and you will see the difference. At any time you feel the anger, you feel anxiety, stress, come back to this practice, close your eyes, sit down, and dedicate this 5 minutes to yourself. I hope you enjoyed, and I wish you to have a beautiful day, beautiful night. Namaste.